I lost my belt. My roommate is asking me, ask me, what should I beat you with? मैं तो पैसे खर्च करके मास्क मंगाना है. And you I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best.
Hello, face of analogy. What's up?
It is scary. Welcome to my vlog. का मूड बिल्कुल भी नहीं था जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स अगो, क्योंकि हुआ ऐसा कि कल हम लोगों का ऑफिस फन आउटिंग है एंड आई डिसाइडेड ऑन टू वेयर अ ड्रेस like an outfit. Okay, so I decided what pant I'm wearing, what belt I'm wearing, what top I'm going to put on and everything, and I was so excited. From 2 days I'm preparing for that outfit and उसमें हुआ ये कि मेरे को इस्त्री वाला भैया नहीं मिला and I don't have an इस्त्री with me except for myself, तो वो मेरे पास नहीं है. ठीक है, तो वो भी गया, मैं शाम को लेट है तो तब तक वो तो शॉप बंद हो जाता है. उसके बाद I came home, I'm like, okay, I'll put on some good sheet mask and cool down my face and I'll be glowing tomorrow morning. Nothing like that happened. I came back home, I was struggling with my phone storage. I tried with both of my laptops to get my transfer. I tried TeraBox and I don't know what all. And finally at 11 I finally did ki theek hai abhi chalo. Now I was like, oh yeah, phone is all sorted, now I can get ready and prepare for tomorrow's outfit. I lost my belt. I literally lost my belt. I went insane from past 1 hour 45 minutes, I don't know how much. I removed the entire bed, all the bedding, all the bags, and I am not kidding. I literally messed up the whole room just to find that belt. And you know what, when I almost lost hope and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know, it has wings and kahin ud gaya, I found my belt. And where did I find my belt? In this very bag, which was the first bag I got out. And you know what my roommate is asking me, ask me, what should I beat you with? And I very pleasantly offered the belt. Let's have a great outing tomorrow. Nidra, you wanna say something? Let's tell you guys a funny story while putting on this mask. तो मतलब I am telling you, I went insane. पागल हो गई थी मैं to search my belt and I literally found my roommate's chappal which was lost from 2 weeks and we were not able to find it. And now this is another story. I ordered, एक पता है कि सस्ता मुल्तानी मिट्टी से like you can get a glow that is like very wow and it's actually natural. But नहीं, हमें तो पैसे खर्च करके मास्क मंगाना है. And you know why I ordered this? Because you see this bottle online, it was a bottle. Okay, it clearly showed a bottle and I thought कि ठीक है मेरे पास वो सीरम वाला bottle है. I'm like, okay, wow. But they sent me a mask and it was non-exchangeable or non-refundable, so I just saved it for some good occasion. And now it is so complicated. I think it's written in some Thailand language and like it also has a English language translation. Shooting है, मैं उठी 7 बजे हूँ, मेरी हेयर स्टाइल फिक्स नहीं थी, मुझे पिंपल आ गया. I rushed so badly. पता है मैं भागते भागते लिटरली मैं बस स्टॉप पहुँची एंड वो बस वहाँ से निकलने वाली थी. आई रैन सो फास्ट. I somehow broke my anklet also. I feel like I am paining but I think I sprained it, but ठीक है चलता है. अगर वहाँ पे जाके कोई नहीं रहा ना, I swear, because it's 8, it's sharp 8. I'm reaching in 2-3 minutes. Who said?
He's asking.
Hey, good morning. 8:15 we were supposed to leave. We are leaving at 8:40. Yay!
It's 8:45 by now.
3, 4. I'm the best. 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 Start. Then पहले पेट पूजा and then we'll breakfast.
Yeah.
I need breakfast. I'm hungry.
Everyone does. Everyone is dying.
activities. This is like climb the wall, something. We have zip lines and too many activities after having breakfast. It's like 10:43. We are starting.
Just you have to lift yourself up like little bit. Lift yourself.
Hello. Face of analogy. What's up?
Sorry, okay, we'll go archery. All the best.
But I leave everything.
You have to come there, go there, and then swap here as well. Bye, Yasmi.
If I die, let my mom know I leave.
Oh, hey.
Okay, how do I keep?
Yeah. Don't touch the handle. Just
How do I?
sit. Just sit. Then touch the rope only, and then pedal yourself. After some point, paddle. You have to paddle only. Just hold. Don't touch the bar. Yeah, just paddle. Just hold. This is your lifeline.
ये आपका सेफ्टी है
That is your safety.
आपको पैडल करना है आपको इसकी अपना जिला को जगह पे वहाँ पर जाके स्लो मत करो वहाँ पर आपको स्लो करना है ठीक है आके बस स्लो करो
See you. Bye. Oh boy, here she comes. Come on, Asmi. Come on, pedal. Woo. Come on. How was it?
Scary, bro. It is scary.
It's like there's a chipset in your chest
अरे कवर घातला नाईस
Chaotic situation over here. Some are getting.
Where are they heading, man?
Hey, you are in the front, no?
How was it?
Very nice.
Good.
Enjoyed.
I was wondering how
Like, share, subscribe.
Vignesh,